welcome back to our channel. My name is Aaron Bicky.
My name is Indavensky.
And we are the St. Louis kids. And we love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification, and give this video a big thumbs up. And what else do you have to tell me?
And we subscribe our new channel. And don't, if you want to watch more of our videos, please press the link up below.
Yeah, and if you keep on watching our videos, one day we'll be giving away an iPhone 6s iPhone. And if you want to win that, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on your notifications, give this video a big thumbs up. And we're going to be showing what we got from our school. Okay, who wants to start first?
You.
Okay, I'm going to start. I don't have a lot of stuff. First, they gave me a big student notebook, which is all you do is it's like most like a textbook. But, okay. Then they gave me 2 big math books, volume 1 and volume 2. And they gave me some supplies, like, I don't know what they gave me yet. They gave me another book that has 70 pages, and it's green. And they also gave me some of the supplies. They gave me some sharpened pencils already, and some pens. And they also gave me, let's see, this is cool. They also gave me a black sharpener and a 24 crayon box. Yep, that's all. Now Dave's gonna show you guys what he got.
I got a book.
Whoa! My first writing student.
Well.
Whoa! That's what you got. Let me help you there. What do you want to show them?
Oh, this is...
He wants to show you his notebook. It's red. You like this one. Oops. Put it back in there. Let me get it. Okay, a little bit more things and we're going to end the video.
No, don't forget this.
Should we show them this? Yeah.
No, this.
Okay.
Look at this. And this. And you can draw in and erase.
Now show them this.
Guys, you can do this and you know and you can and I got gummy bears.
You got some gummy bears, and what else? You have to make a hat. Okay, show them this one, Dave.
And
you can make Mr. Potato Head.
Mr. Potato Head.
Mr. Potato Head. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video soon.
It's not finished yet.
Okay. What did you get?
Oh,
We already showed that. Did we? Yeah, we already showed that, Dave. Did we show this? No, we didn't. Come on, let's go show them.
Guys, and look at this.
It says D for Dave and Ski, and this is name activity, where he gets to do all his kind of name activities, like names. Okay, want to show them one last thing, and then we're gonna end it. Want to show them your hat?
My cup.
No, show them your hat.
Guys, look at this.
Show them it. Okay, now want to show them your hat?
I want to play these right now.
I think you guys didn't see this. This is, you have to cut out this teddy bear and this long string. You have to put the teddy bear on it and put it on his head for a nice, cool clown hat. And when he's done on Friday, he can finally get rewarded with some gummy bears and his whole class. Now you can show them that. Show them.
Guys, I already showed them.
What is that?
I want to play it right now.
No. Do you know one day. Tell them if you know or not when your school's gonna start.
I don't know when school's gonna start.
If you guys know when school's gonna start, comment down below, because we have no idea.